Why companies choose project management tool? Companies use project management tools for a variety of reasons, including improved communication and collaboration. Project management tools can help to improve communication and collaboration between team members by providing a central location for storing and sharing information. This can help to ensure that everyone is on the same page, and that changes to plans are communicated quickly and easily. Increased visibility and transparency. Project management tools can help to increase visibility and transparency by providing project managers and stakeholders with real-time updates on project status. This can help to identify potential problems early on, and make necessary adjustments to ensure that projects stay on track. Improved efficiency and productivity. Project management tools can help to improve efficiency and productivity by automating tasks such as task tracking, time tracking, and reporting. This can free up team members to focus on more strategic and creative work. Reduced risk. Project management tools can help to reduce risk by providing a framework for planning, tracking, and managing projects. This can help to identify and mitigate potential risks early on, which can help to prevent costly delays or failures. Overall, project management tools can be a valuable asset for any company that wants to improve the way it manages its projects. With all the features mentioned above, it can help companies to deliver projects on time, on budget, and to the required quality standards. Contact Software Horsepower to get the best project management tools. Visit softwarehorsepower.com.